every weld. The revolutionary welding tool for a welder. The groundbreaking welding technology for the handheld laser welding industry. Meet the new Bodor Welder self-cooling handheld laser welding machine. Bodor's self-cooling handheld laser welding solution combines simplicity and ease of use, paving the way for a flexible and intuitive operational experience. Utilizing our pioneering constant temperature circulation self-cooling technology, we've transcended the constraints traditionally posed by air and water cooling methods. The new Bodor welder achieves a non-stop welding operation from start to finish. Traditional laser welding often faces power loss at high temperatures, affecting the quality and speed of the work. However, with our constant temperature circulation technology, a first in laser welding, we ensure continuous operation and stable power maintenance across a wide ambient temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. We take quality seriously. Our rigorous testing includes over 1,000 different experiments, running for more than 10,000 hours, to make sure your welding tool performs well, even in up to 90% humidity. Endorsed by the reputable CNAS, the steel welded with our self-cooling handheld laser welding exhibits superior attributes in bending, hardness, and tensile strength, among others. The outcome? Smooth and satisfying weld seams, robust and deformation-free welding, and an overall welding quality that surpasses other welding types. Safe and reliable operation. Steady wire feeding. Applicable to various materials. Comfortable grip. With Bodor Welder's self-cooling handheld laser welding machine, your welding production is set to be more effective, and no tough weld will hinder your tasks.